Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing a powerful machine from Cruxweld, the dual torch oxy-fuel and plasma cutting carriage. This is the main carriage unit and right away you can feel the solid build and robust construction. This heavy body is designed to handle long cutting jobs without vibration or instability. Exactly what you expect from Cruxweld machines. Now let's take a closer look at the carriage itself. Here we have the dual torch mounting system, which is one of the biggest advantages of this Cruxweld cutting carriage. This machine supports both oxy-fuel cutting and plasma cutting on the same carriage. This machine supports both oxy-fuel and plasma cutting on same carriage. That means you don't need two different machines. Cruxweld, you get two cutting processes in one system. This side is for the oxy-fuel torch, ideal for cutting thick steel plates. And here is the mounting for the plasma torch, perfect for fast and precise cutting on thinner materials. Switching between oxy-fuel and plasma is simple and quick, which saves a lot of time on the shop floor. Now let's talk about the travel mechanism. Cruxweld had designed this carriage with a smooth and stable drive system. This ensures straight line cutting with consistent speed from start to finish. Consistent travel speed is extremely important for clean cuts, and this is where Cruxweld really stands out. As we move to the control panel, you will notice how simple and operator friendly it is. The speed control knobs allows smooth adjustment based on your cutting requirement. Whether you are doing slow oxy-fuel cutting or faster plasma cutting, this Cruxweld carriage gives you full control. Another important feature is the easy torch height and alignment adjustment. You can precisely set the torch position to match different plate thickness, which directly improves the cut quality. This flexibility makes the Cruxweld dual torch cutting carriage suitable for multiple industrial applications. Now let's talk about productivity and safety. Because this machine is automated, it reduces manual effort and operator fatigue. Once the carriage is set, it moves steadily on its own, allowing the operator to focus on safety and quality. Less manual handling also means reduced exposure to heat, sparks and fumes. Something Cruxweld always prioritizes in its machine design. This cutting carriage is ideal for fabrication shops, steel structures, tank fabrication, shipbuilding, and heavy engineering projects. If your work involves straight cuts, long plates, and repetitive cutting jobs, this Cruxweld solution can significantly improve efficiency. To summarize, what you get with this machine is precision, flexibility, and reliability, all backed by Cruxweld industrial engineering. The Cruxweld dual torch oxy-fuel and plasma cutting carriage is not just a machine, it's a productivity upgrade. If you want cleaner cuts, better consistency and less manual effort, this is a solution worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more industrial reviews from Cruxweld.